Sometimes I feel like Loki's this missing link between myself and nature, and I think people can kind of see that too. You know, dogs have been living outside for thousands of years, and only recently have they become more of like a in-house kind of animal. Learning what his needs were, I realized it wasn't that complicated. I just needed to make sure I was in a space where he could roam and sniff and run. I think the real goal is to be out 2 to 3 weekends a month, traveling, getting as far away from home as possible before we kind of need to turn the train around and get back home. Preparation for me is all about gear. Packing is just being prepared for whatever might come and not so much about really where we're going. I'd rather just be ready to go when we walk out the door for anything that might come, whether it be snow or hot weather or anything in between.
The importance of cooking while camping is it almost completes the experience. Prior to having this Dometic CFX, we were definitely cooking foods that were highly processed, dry foods that didn't really require a lot of effort on our part to actually make.
Having the Dometic, being able to make a regular meal with all these vegetables definitely changes the way we eat. I was hesitant to get into it, I think for the power reasons. So the Dometic battery fixed that. As long as you're driving, you're never gonna have to think about it because the battery's gonna recharge from the vehicle, and it's one more way that we can kind of be present.
I've had Bailey since I was 20, so we're going on 11 years together, and I just want a lifestyle that allows me to enjoy my family, and Kelly and Loki and Bailey are my family.
The mentality that your home is where your heart is so true for us, and I think about it all the time. If things are different or changing or stressful, if Ally's all right, if the dogs are all right, then at the end of the day, that's the most important thing. Ally, Bailey, and Loki.